Well, hello, and today I'm going to be finding out which is the aerial point that goes to the outside of the van. I was under the impression that the point on the outside of the van was an incoming point for when you're on a site where you need to use a booster. However, it isn't. It's an outgoing point from the aerial pier on the roof to, in case you want to point in your a TV in your awning. We don't use an awning, and if we did, we wouldn't have a TV point in it. So what I want to do is find out the wire, which is the wire coming from outside there to up here, so that I can use it as an incoming supply rather than an outgoing supply if I need to. So I don't need a wire hanging out of the window, which looks rather unsightly to me. So we'll have a look what we're going to do. So it's quite easy. I think we should be able to do this with a bit of insulation tape, a bit of wire, and something to test the continuity with. I'm using these continuity testers, but you can use a multimeter or even a battery with a wire on it and a bulb, but as I've got these, we'll use these. So first of all, we're going to go up into the cupboard. So up here you'll be able to see this is your incoming feed up from the aerial up here, up at the top. This is to the radio. This is TV1 and TV2 and TV3. So we've got a TV point down there, we've got a TV point down there. We have another one up here, and we have the one outside. So what I'm going to do, if I can, is I'm going to undo these TV1, TV2 and TV3 for starters. So now you can see I've got them undone. What we're going to do now is go outside. So this here is our thing that I've got. So what I'm doing is I'm shoving that into the centre hole. Well, it doesn't want to fit, so I'm going to remove my adapter. I've got an adapter on here so I can put on a TV cable into it as well. Right, so I'm going to do some point that onto there like that, like that, and then I'm going to tape that bit to there. My trusty friend Bex is He's supervising again. So there you are, it's all taped in place now. I'm going to go inside now. I don't fall up the steps getting in. So, using my probe testers, if you know, when I touch the ends together, we get a circuit. One little light lights up, and it makes a noise. So, up into the cupboard we go. Need to do is there's a piece of wire sticks out the end of there. Now, what I don't want is that bit in there touching that bit, so put that on there. Nothing. So it's not TV2. Let's try TV1. I don't think it'd be TV1 either. TV1, so try TV3. And there we are, it's TV3. So TV3 is our one. Again on these just to make sure. No, we ain't got anything on there, so this is our one TV3 here, which you saw me do, so just in case you didn't see me. In case you didn't see it, I'll just do it again. So that's the wire there. We don't want this bit to be stuck on, we'll stick that bit on there. Stick this on the outside, holding that, and then that bit there just onto the copper core. So just onto the copper core there. And we get our conserve. So that's our wire, and that's all we're looking for. Now, for obvious reasons, we need to know which our wire is, don't we? So I'm going to use the tape and just put some I've now marked it with blue tape, I now know that if I'm on site and I need to use the TV booster from site, I just undo this one. So I undo this one, and in its place I connect this one. There we are. Let's put these two back into the respective holes. So TV2 goes back in TV2. TV1 goes back in TV1. I'll undo this one. And I'll reconnect this one because obviously we've no incoming supply to show you, but that's how you will do it. So that's it. That's how to convert the outside output into an outside input. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and if you wish to subscribe, you may hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.